Alright, so we're gonna grab, I'm gonna pull Travis's truck out and get a couple pictures of that 68 C10. But I'm probably gonna have to clean it, wipe it down. We took it for a rip earlier today, and I'm sure it probably got dirty. We're using some of this Lucas. Oh yeah, we got a couple of these here. It's a clear day, so let's throw some Lucas on this, and then we'll pull it outside. All right, a little change in plan. I think I'm going to use this California auto duster. Thing's not that dirty, just dusty, so this will work pretty good. All right, we'll get this thing pulled out, get it out on the side. We can get some, hopefully, better light on it. Definitely could use that. So. Oh, come on, baby girl, I do love you. That pretty much wraps up the few little pictures and a quick couple videos I got of this little black C10 here. Thought it was kind of fun. Getting pretty dark now, so we're gonna go ahead and put it away and call it a night. Alrighty, well, hope everybody enjoyed. I had fun making the video or taking the picture, so we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna call it a night. And remember, get out there and create something today, even if it sucks.